How to make your dreams come true. Dream is a beautiful and cherished aspiration which is intangible unless we strive for it to make it a reality. It's our dreams which creates us and creates a pavement for us to walk the journey of our life and find our final destination and make our dreams come true. It is our dream which distinguishes us from the rest and gives us an edge over the rest. Every individual have distinguished dream, and it certainly is not an easy thing to turn your dream to reality. On the journey of life, working towards our dreams, we certainly find a lot of obstacles and distractions which might avert us from reaching our final destination. An individual needs all the determination and dedication to walk the journey to make his dreams come true. Below mentioned are the 8 simple ways to stick to your dreams and make dreams come true. 1. Believe in your dreams. Just because your dreams are different from the rest, doesn't mean that your dreams aren't real. Believe in yourself. Just remember you are an individual self and different from the rest. 2. Never give up on your dreams. If others find you and your dreams to be weird, that definitely doesn't symbolize you should give up on your dreams. 3. Stay determined. If you have dreamt it, then you can certainly make it a reality. Just believe in yourself. 4. Don't get scared of the obstacles. The journey to the final destination is full of numerous obstacles and hindrances. Have determination, keen observation and optimism, and then the journey will certainly turn out to be beautiful and the dreams come true. 5. Be a good observant. Just having a dream isn't enough. One needs to be observant enough with good analytical skills. 6. Learn from the rest. The surroundings and the experiences of the rest are a great teacher. Learn from the past, and your actions should be well in consideration with the situation. 7. Learn from your failures. If there's anything which can give you lifelong lessons are your failures. Learn from them. Your failures make you strong and certainly create a refined version of yours. 8. Be an optimist. An optimistic person always focuses on the segment where he still sees an opportunity, while the pessimist will always cry and crib about the battles he has already lost. Your optimism adds up to your confidence and makes you believe in the day when you'll finally be successful. Conclusion: how to make your dreams come true. It is totally up to you how you wish to live, cherish and fulfill your dream. Just having a dream is not enough. One needs to wake up from his dream, strive for it and thus make his dreams come true. Every one of us has dreams, but it takes the bravest and the determined souls to live up to their dreams and make the most of their life and leave a mark for the rest to cherish upon. Martin Luther King Jr. has once said that no person has the right to reign on your dreams.